Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the appearance of the fandom.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website. After that, go to your homepage and tap on this profile button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then click on view profile. After that, tap on this button again and then select my preferences. Tap on user profile below preferences and then scroll down to the bottom of this section where you can select the appearance of the website. So here you can set the category page layout, which is either dynamic or classic category. So tap on the relevant one. You can set ads, don't show or show all ads. Then you can also set the landing page, which is either main, recent or community feeds. Then if you are done, click on the save button down below to update the appearance section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.